Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another Mukbang show. Welcome back, Team Picasso. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. We back in this thing once again. Maybe I wanna sing, and I'm hungry. Hungry. Alright, you guys, y'all can see got us some fried chicken. Oh no. No. Phone is already raggedy. And I be forgetting to post on Instagram, and I'm so sorry. I'm gonna post right now. Y'all gonna see me post right now on Insta. We got that good fried chicken. Fried chicken. Look at this. Some ASMR. Oh yeah, I'm about to get it in. No. Man, that sucks. So I posted on the wrong Instagram. And then it won't let you do it while it's posting. Oh, there it goes. It's 2 minutes. I'm still trying to post this damn chicken. Y'all see what we go through? Got that good fried chicken. Good fried. I'm gonna give y'all some ASMR sounds. Ooh. Go up in the smashed out. Alright, so we back at the video. Welcome back to another Mukbang show video. Got some good fried chicken from Zestos. Shout out to Zestos. Really hooked me up. As you can see, beautiful, delicious, golden. Zestos is known for their golden chicken. So if you have never been to Zestos, I'll include the name of the restaurant. This one's on Piedmont. I actually was supposed to do a video on Zestos previously, but I forgot to turn the mic on. Oh, look at that. So they known for their golden fried chicken. Hey, this is good. There's some fries under here somewhere. Oh yeah, I'm having a good day. Okay, so. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. I can make sure the mic is on this time. Now we got to turn it on. They're good too. But they chicken. They came from the gym. So they chicken put you in the mind of churches. For you churches fans out there, they fried also put you in the mind of churches. Oh yeah, I got up today and I went to bed. Look at that. I went to bed. Y'all already know, I already explained. Y'all gonna hear the train. I live near a train. Nothing I can do about that. Let's enjoy country living. Well, it's just country living at its finest. Trains, planes, and rockets. No, I'm just kidding, no rockets, but oh my God. Oh my God. And you know, it really, like, I've always wanted some chicken like this. I don't know if they do it for real, but if I wasn't, look at that. If I didn't know no better, I would say that they coated this chicken with pig skin, pork rinds for you pork rind lovers. This chicken has the taste and consistency of pork rinds. Like, that's bomb. I ain't bring nothing to drink. Wow. Well, the young lady that made it for me, she was gone when I went back. I really wanted to shout her out, but she was gone. So I will, if you catch this video, I promise you I will shout you out, because you hooked the brother up big time. I know I ain't touching that bread. Actually, I might make that might be good. Yeah, bro. So when I went to bed last night, I automatically knew like what I was trying to do today as far as get up, gym, mukbang. But the spirits, I'm just like, it wasn't in my spirit to do it. To get up, because typically it's my day off from 9 to 5. It's not my day off from my 9 to 5, should I say. But after I laid there for so long, I was like, bro, what are you doing? Like, what are you doing right now? Get up. I had to make myself get up. So the point of it all is, like I had made a comment on the live video when I went to the gym session. I'll be doing more gym session live videos. A lot of people have asked me to do gym session video because they really want to work out. You know, and you know, it's always, you know, for some people, for me, I get distracted when other people are there. I don't really do gym partners too well. I have to have my music on, focused. Just for me personally, it's not different for everybody. But yeah, people asked me to do that, so I did that. A quick little gym session, not even really a warm up. Really just making myself extra hungry for this mukbang. To tell the truth. And it helps me. Not everybody, but it helps me. It's like I'm kind of like I'm warming my stomach up to eat a massive meal, you know. I need something to drink. I'll be right back. And I'm gonna be. I'm about to go get something to drink. Back at it again. So by the time this video comes out, the Beaster egg video will probably, let's see which one is the crunchiest. You want the crunchy. The Beaster egg video will probably already be out. Hopefully y'all enjoyed that. Get hot sauce on there. Get all that good hot sauce. I forgot my 2 times Alfredo. If y'all haven't seen that video with that 2 times spicy Alfredo, man, that Alfredo is good with 2 times spicy sauce. I don't know what it is about that sauce. It just makes everything good. I don't know what it is, but back to the chicken. That's big. Very crispy. But yeah, you gotta be your own motivation. You know, somebody was on my live, and they were also saying that when they woke up, they was thinking about going to the gym. Oh, that tastes like chicken. Oh. Wow. Steak breast. So, yeah, it was also saying that they were also thinking about going to the gym, but they, you know, they just couldn't find it to get up. The chicken sandwich. You know what I'm saying? And then after watching me, while I was in there getting my little session on, which is when, that was a little session, you know, whole lot of nothing, but it was good. It was good. But either way, their next words was, I'm finna get up and go. I'm just like, yes, get up and go. I'm telling you, all mukbangers are alive. I feel me? This chicken good. It's sloppy. We ain't doing nothing but a little walk around your complex. That's how I got my auntie started. She looks damn good. Y'all seen her? She looked good. She really wanted to work out, but she didn't know how to start. So I challenged her to walk around her apartment complex. And she started doing that. And now she adds a little strut to it. That's all you gotta do. You know. That's what I like to do. I like to be gradual. But I did try with a trainer one time. I like the trainer. I like the trainer. I didn't think I would like that military style. Do it. Let's go. You know what I'm saying? 10 more. Give me 10 more. It was just like that. Like, bro was just like that. And at first, At first, I was kind of like, bro, who you talking to? Like, why'd you yell at me? Like, please stop. I don't like to be yelled at. But then it was just like, this is different, you know? It's not something I'm used to. Things that are different make you feel uncomfortable. And that's when I was like, okay, maybe the uncomfortableness is my body adjusting to a better situation, because your body's naturally going to adjust. That's what a lot of people, oh, I've been this way this whole time, I'm always, no, your body will adjust to whatever mood. I can guarantee you, if the world was to flood, our bodies would turn amphibious. I can guarantee you, we would literally grow either capacity in our lungs to breathe. I know it sounds crazy, but I can guarantee you. We would grow good gills. I know somebody's gonna laugh at this, but it's true. Like, your body's naturally gonna adapt. I mean, maybe not that serious or that complex, but yeah. So I challenge everybody, especially mukbangers. It's different for everybody. Everybody's body processes different. For me, I was that young kid, super skinny, long. Grandma, you eat like that, it's gonna catch up to you, gonna catch up. I'm like, no, it ain't. No, it ain't. But I always be thin and fit. Man, by the time I hit 25, it's like, what happened to my what happened to my six pack that I didn't work out for? I didn't work for. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of hilarious now being the age that I am and looking at the younger generation. You know, they like to flex because they think it's gonna be that way all the time. And natural, so I mean, it ain't funny, but I kind of laugh. I'm just like, bro, you just don't know. Bro, your clock ticking. I thought I was gonna be that way all the time, which I still have a damn good metabolism, don't get me wrong. I burn. And I burn better when I work out. I still burn. Anyway. The point of the story is motivation. Man, it's different for different people. But mama, for me, I always like to speak on me because I know everybody's situation varies. But mama ain't here to tap you on your shoulder no more and say, get up before you be late for the bus. You gotta get up and get your ass on that bus. Like, dead ass. You gotta get up. If you wanna ride that bus, if you wanna ride that train, and you wanna be a part of the action, you know, get yourself up and do something. I so wanted to lay in the bed all day. Couldn't do it. My spirit just wouldn't been right. I had to get up. I had to get up. I did. I'm so thankful. I'm so happy. As soon as I got in there, I still And once you're on that treadmill, so my recommendation is start on the treadmill. The reason I say start on the treadmill, you don't have to always start on the treadmill, but for those kind of days, start on the treadmill, slow rate, stretch your body, stretch your legs while then pick up to a slow jogger, however you want to do it. But the reason why I say start on the treadmill is because you can't be still. You be still and the treadmill gonna throw you off. Just like life. Just like life. You be still, it's gonna throw you off. You gotta keep moving. The world is moving around you. And to continue. So yeah, recommend start on the treadmill and then work your way to whatever else. Just a warm up. The treadmill is just a warm up. If I don't wipe this right now, it's gonna stay that way. So I can get it. I know I've been wiping my mouth with this paper towel. Ain't nobody else eating this honey. I can almost guarantee you. It's another bottle up there. So, I wish the girl was there when I went back. She was pretty cool. And she did that chicken. She did the dang old thing. Zestos. Thank you. Yeah, man. One of my favorite songs. Sometimes you have to encourage yourself. It's one of my favorite songs. Sometimes you have to speak victory during the test. And no matter how you feel, speak the word and you will be healed. Speak over yourself. One of my favorite songs, y'all. Be careful. Encourage yourself. As I minister, I can't help it. I can't help it. To you, oh, I minister to myself. Life can hurt you so till you feel that there's nothing left. That's my favorite. That's one of my favorite songs. Whoa. But y'all, don't sit around waiting for the bandwagon. Create the bandwagon. Don't sit around in the left lane. What is the right lane? In the right lane with slow traffic. Merge. Excuse me. Which lane? If that lane moving too slow. the chicken bone. And crispy, super crispy, super crispy. But yeah, that's today's word. Motivation. Motivate yourself. Be self-motivation. Don't wait around for validation. Don't wait around for nobody to validate what you doing is right or what you doing is wrong. You feel in your heart and your spirit and your mind to mind, soul to soul, spirit to spirit, and what you doing is good, and you know, for you, keep doing it. You'll be successful. Trust me. I'm surprised I ain't burnt this whole video. It's unfortunate. Quite unfortunate. Well, I feel real blessed when I go into places and I'm like, yo, I got a YouTube. Can y'all help me out so my food can look good on camera? And they just be so happy. They be so happy. They be so willing to help. I've never seen anything like it in my life. Like, bro, they be so happy and so willing to help me. Don't even know me, complete stranger. Like, they could have just looked at me crazy. Like, who is this guy? Like, I don't know you. You know nobody. You know what I mean? And they be so happy to help me. And it's a blessing, bro. Like, it's a blessing to just be so blessed. Like, it's amazing. It really is. Oh, excuse me. There you go. But yeah, if you haven't checked out that Beaster egg video, I will be sure to include the link at the end of the video so y'all can go and check that out. I feel like I conquered. I feel like I was the champ. I feel like I was the king of the Beaster egg challenge. I didn't do a time, but I'm pretty sure I scarfed them eggs down pretty fast. So y'all go check that video out for me, and go check out a lot of my other videos. And if there's any specific title or type of video or playlist that you'd like me to create, I'll create a playlist of. I already have a seafood playlist, but I think I have a chicken. I just have to update it, which I'll do that probably today. More than likely I will do that today. So I'll definitely be updating that chicken section because I obviously eat more chicken. 200 videos an hour, 200 up, 200 videos up, and we moving steadfast. And August made a year for us. It's September. It's October already. So for those of y'all that's out there thinking about doing this and starting, trust me, I couldn't have imagined, like in my mind of minds, that I would be doing this still for a year. Excuse me. So I've been a year strong, and it's just amazing. And time goes by so fast because when you putting, your all into something, and it's something that you love to do, it's just like the time doesn't even matter. You know what I mean? It's just like, I don't even feel like, I'm just at home chilling and talking to y'all. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't even feel like I'm doing nothing. Like, I mean, yeah, the production part is work, but in time, that'll change. Settings will change, scenery, outlooks, everything will change, and you'll grow. And I wouldn't have imagined. Well, I did. I ain't gonna lie. I did imagine myself doing this. I did imagine myself in front of this camera. I did imagine, I imagine more now, and I see more now, and as time goes by, and I'm just blessing after blessing after blessing after blessing after blessing. It's just like you begin to see your blessings, and the universe will throw you your blessings before you even, get them. The universe will throw you your blessings, give you a little taste, and you know what it feel like, what it tastes like, what it look like, what it smell like. And a lot of people bypass them blessings, and me, I take it for what it's worth. If it's something that I see, I try to grasp hold. Like sometimes I get like little visions or little smells of, you know, of what, you know, future car, or future whatever, you know what I'm saying? Just try to grasp a hold and remember, you know what I'm saying? And then when you actually get it, it's like deja vu, you know? But either way, this is great mukbang, great video, great energy, great vibes. Love y'all so much. I appreciate y'all so much, Team Picasso. Thank you. And we out. Peace. Y'all have a good night, or good morning, rather, because this is morning. So yeah, hopefully, well, I'm going to get a haircut tomorrow. So the waves should be in full effect.